Morning everyone, kakagising ko lang at nag-decide ako na i-film ang aking breakfast for today. Simple lang naman. So first, meron ako ditong bread. Then, kuha tayo ng 2 pieces of bread. Then, ito-toast natin siya. Lagay natin dito yung bread. Then, i-toast natin siya. So, it's done now. 4 pieces of bread, then may 2 boiled egg. Ang gagawin natin dito ngayon is, itong boiled egg, ilalagay ko dito. Boiled egg. Yan. Smash, smash. Then, lalagyan natin siya ng mayonnaise with lemon. Let's eat.
So the Dell 3 Plus doesn't just power up small gadgets like a computer or your cameras, but it also can power up your small phone. We'll stuck here with no updates or whatsoever whether the land.
I will drink coffee.